Make sure both frame pins are in place. Remove the motor. Disconnect the motor power cable. Remove the toggle latch pin, then open the rear toggle latch. Support the motor, then remove the motor alignment pin clip, motor alignment pin washer, and the motor alignment pin. Set the motor aside. Disengage both mixing tube toggle latches and remove the mix head assembly. Remove hopper ring pins. Remove mixer. Lift the mixer off of the stand. If desired, fold the cart stand for storage convenience. Remove frame pins. Flip the cart stand upside down and lay on a level surface. Align cart stand legs and fold together. The system is now disassembled for transportation or storage purposes.